What's the meaning of clapperboard? Clapperboard. Clapperboard.
Clapperboard. Clapperboard. A clapperboard is a device used in film production to synchronize picture and sound. It consists of a board with hinged sticks that can be clapped together, creating a distinctive sound and visual cue. When filmmakers shoot a scene, the clapperboard is held in front of the camera and the sticks are snapped together to mark the start of each take. This helps editors match up the audio and video recordings during post-production. Overall, the clapperboard is an important tool in ensuring a seamless final product in film production.